How you doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this absolutely stunning BMW S1000R. Extra special to me is this one because it's actually my bike, and it's beautiful. Absolutely love it. Been a cracking thing, and I'll tell you some information about it now. So it's 2016 on a 16 plate. So 9,959 miles. It is the Sport. It does have the red chip in it, so it does have the Dynamic Pro on it. Obviously, you do get quite a little bit on the BMW. You get electronic adjustable suspension, you get ABS, you get traction control, you get cruise control, quick shifter, 4 different power modes, heated grips, and this one's a beauty. I'll just turn the dash on there for Mr. Cameraman. But lovely, lovely bike, 160 brake horsepower, rear wheel as well, and aftermarket bits. As you can see, I've put the full Motografix kit on it. I've put the HP Gilles levers, they're not cheap. Bar end mirrors, I put some easy grips on the tank there. It's got a genuine BMW seat cowl, it's got the seat as well, and it's got some GB racing engine covers, and Evotech tail tide, I forgot about that. Lovely, lovely bike, I absolutely love it, it's fantastic. These are normally silver, but I've put the S1000RR black ones on just to set it all off, and I'll give it a fire up for you. There you go. Pride and Joy is this. I absolutely adore it, but I'm going on to the XR, I think. So grab it while you can. It won't be here for very long. These do sell super, super fast. So if you want it, get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.